Welcome back to Florida Suncoast Living, our little real estate channel. You want to save up to buy your first home, but don't know where to start? Today, I've got 4 simple steps to help kickstart your savings plan. Stick around, because after our pitiful property punchline joke of the day, I'll also share a free link to 5 property valuation tools you can use to help you get your very best price on any property, buying or selling. But first, let's lighten the load a little bit with our property punchline. Why don't real estate agents ever play hide and seek? Well, of course, because good luck hiding when their signs are everywhere. Open house this way. Now let's find out about saving for that first home. Step 1, build a budget. Might sound basic, but tracking where your money is going is the key to knowing where you can save. Step 2, cut the extras. Cancel those unused subscriptions or trim back that takeout order. Every dollar you save brings you closer to your dream home. Yeah, bag lunch. Step 3, automate your savings. Set up those automatic transfers from your paycheck, big or small, to a savings account, earmarked for your house savings bucket. Consistency is your best friend here. Step 4, stash unexpected cash. Get a little bonus at work or tax refund. Instead of splurging, deposit it straight into that savings bucket for the house. That future, you will be so grateful you did. It's not about being perfect, it's about making steady progress. Every little bit adds up, and these simple steps can get you moving towards your goal of home ownership. If you're ready to take the next step, let's connect, reach out anytime. Together, we can put a plan together and get you there. And don't forget to check out the free link below, 5 property valuation tools in the description. Now, these tools are really going to come in handy when it comes to buying or selling a house, knowing the exact value of any property. I helped a friend save up money doing this same plan a year ago. He and his wife saved up like $75,000. But then when I showed him the new construction homes, he only had to put down $7,000. He put the rest of the money in his pocket. Meanwhile, as he was saving, he was building his credit. So he got a lower mortgage rate. The builder did a buy down and made the rate even lower, below 5%. So it works. Time can be your friend. Let's talk. Thanks again for checking out the channel. Please like, subscribe, and share these videos with somebody you love. I'll see you next time on the beach or in the next video. Peace.